Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to cancel an event on WhatsApp. Whether plans have changed or the event is no longer needed, this guide will help you navigate the process quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to access your chats. Next, locate the chat where the event was created. Once you've found it, tap on the contact's name or group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the chat or group details page. On this page, scroll down and look for the Event option. Tap on it to view the details of the event you want to cancel. Now, tap on Edit Event. This will allow you to make changes to the event settings. Finally, scroll all the way down and tap on Cancel Event. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure about canceling. Confirm your choice, and that's it. The event is canceled. A system notification will be sent to all participants who RSVP'd, letting them know about the cancellation. And there you have it. Canceling an event on WhatsApp is simple and straightforward. We hope this guide makes managing your events even easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.